Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Stellenbosch FC winger Devin Titus has completed a transfer to Moroccan giants Maghreb Association Sportive de Fès. Titus has been one of Stellenbosch's key players throughout the years and has now taken the next step in his career. After penning a 3-year deal, Titus was unveiled by the Botola Pro League champions on Sunday, the 16th of August 2026. Titus follows Tshegofatso Mabasa to Maghreb, with the Moroccan giants keen to strengthen their team ahead of their title defense and also an ambitious season in the CAF Champions League. The winger came through the youth ranks at Stellenbosch, making his debut in 2021, and he has since scored 36 goals and 20 assists across 176 appearances. And his former club, Stellenbosch FC, they released a statement that says, reigning Moroccan Botola Pro champions Maghreb Association Sportif de Fès have completed the signing of Devin Titus on a permanent transfer after triggering the buyout clause in his contract. The 25-year-old forward departs as Stellenbosch's most kept outfield player of all time after featuring in 176 matches and as the club's second highest goal scorer with 36 goals to his name across all competitions. A graduate of Stellenbosch's renowned development program, Titus captained the reserve team to the DStv Diski Challenge and the Premier League Next Gen title in 2022 before becoming a mainstay in the first team over the last 5 years. Across the previous 4 seasons, he missed only one domestic league match and helped Stellenbosch to win the 2023 Carling Knockout as the player of the tournament and reached back-to-back MTN8 finals in 2024 and 2025 and qualified for the CAF Confederations Cup in consecutive campaigns. He also became a full Bafana Bafana international during his time in the Cape Winelands and represented South Africa at 2024 COSAFA Cup, winning 3 caps in total. During his spell with the club, Titus embodied the ethos of Stellenbosch FC in both his performances and professionalism, setting a benchmark for those around him and serving as a beacon for the next generation of players. His absence on the pitch and in the dressing room will sorely be felt, but he departs with the utmost gratitude and best wishes from everyone at Stellenbosch FC as he embarks on his journey abroad. That's the statement from Stellenbosch FC as they announce the departure of Devin Titus. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Devin Titus joining Moroccan Botola Pro League champions Maghreb de Fès? Are you happy with this move? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.